Good morning, students. In the last video, we learned about the sentence, what is sentence, as well as kinds of the sentence. In the kinds of sentence, we learned there are four kinds of sentences. The first one was assertive or declarative sentence. The second one, interrogative sentence. Third one, imperative sentence. And the last, we learned about the exclamatory sentences. So today we are going to learn the interchange of these sentences within itself. So let's see. Here we have assertive sentence. Once again we are going to revise what is assertive sentence. A sentence which either states or declares something is assertive sentence. An assertive sentence ends with a full stop. Means whenever any of the sentence states or declares, that is called assertive sentence. Let's take an example. She is very beautiful. She is very beautiful. This is a assertive sentence. This is states, declares she is a beautiful. So this is called assertive sentence. Now come to the next kind of sentence, that is exclamatory sentence. A sentence which expresses some strong or sudden feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. Whenever we are expressing the strong feeling of our emotions, that is called exclamatory sentence. Every exclamatory word or sentence ends with an exclamation mark, and the sentence will going to end with this exclamation mark. Let's take an example. How beautiful she is, an exclamation mark. How beautiful she is. In this sentence, I am expressing my feeling, my emotions. So it is an exclamatory sentence. Now you can compare these two kinds of sentence. The first one is assertive sentence and the second one is exclamatory sentence. Just see it. Here the same thing. She is very beautiful. And how beautiful she is. The same thing we states in a different kinds of sentences. So today we are going to learn about to change assertive sentence into the exclamatory sentence. How it could be possible. How we can going to change this one kind of the sentence into the another kinds of sentence. So we have to convert assertive sentence into the exclamatory sentence. Whenever we are going to convert this assertive into exclamatory, we have to follow 3 steps. Now, what are these 3 steps? The first one, what is that? Move. First one is move. Move means we have to move from one place to the another place. So that is move from subject to till. First we have to write move till helping verb, or if you don't have the helping verb, if we don't have helping verb, till main verb, to the end of sentence. Move till helping verb, or if we don't have helping verb, till main verb to the end of sentence. The second one is, that is remove. that is remove adverbs. Adverbs means the word that going to describe about the verb, that is called adverbs. So remove adverbs like very, extremely, gently, etc. Whenever we have such kinds of the adverbs, we are going to remove it. And the third one, that is add. What we are going to add in that? If sentence have a or an, if sentence have a or an article, then a or an article, then we are going to add, means use what? Then we are going to use what? And if no a or an article is there, and if no a or an article is there, then use how. Then use how. And at the last we have to always use exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. We are going to use exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. The first one is move till helping verb, and if you don't have helping verb, till main verb to the end of the sentence. Second one, remove adverbs like very, extremely, gently, etc. whatever we are having. And the third one is we are going to do the addition of something in our sentence. If sentence have a or an article, then use what? And if no a or an is there, so at that time use how. And the last, use exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. Now take an example of that. Here we have an example. She is a very beautiful girl. She is a very beautiful girl. It is a assertive sentence. Now take the first step, that is move. You can see over here, move till helping verb. If we don't have helping verb, till main verb. Let's see, here we have the helping verb. Move till helping verb at the end of the sentence. So first step 1, that is this could going to at the end. She is, and whatever is the remains, write it here. A very beautiful girl. We written a very beautiful girl, and till helping verb we written at the last, at end of the sentence. Second step number 2, that is remove adverbs like very, extremely, gently, etc. So here we have a adverb very, remove it. A, very, we are going to remove it. Beautiful girl she is. We are written. Now step number 3, what is that? Add. If sentence have a or an, any of these two, any article, use what? So here we have a, add, so we are going to use what? So what? A beautiful girl she is. And at the last star point, whatever we have, we have used exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. So use that again. What a beautiful girl she is, an exclamation mark. Here we used exclamation mark. So this way we finally converted this assertive sentence into the exclamatory sentence. You can see. So these are the 3 steps what we are going to follow. After that we can find our answer. So these are the steps to understand it. We can do directly. So she is a beautiful girl. We converted that what a beautiful girl she is. So first till the helping verb. If we don't have helping verb, till main verb we have to write at the end. At the if we have a, so we have to write what a, and we have to remove this adverse. If we have very or gently any kinds of adverbs, so we have to remove it, and whatever we have that we have to write as it is. So what a beautiful girl she is. So we have another example. Her handwriting is very beautiful. Her handwriting is very beautiful. So let's convert it directly. Here till helping verb we have to write at end, so leave that. And here we have the adverb very, we are going to remove it, and the rest one beautiful we have to write. And once again you have to remember, here we don't have any article like a or an, so we have to use, or we can say we have to start the sentence with how. So how, remove this very, beautiful, how beautiful her handwriting is, and at the last exclamation mark, how beautiful her handwriting is. So by using these 3 steps we can easily convert that assertive sentence into the exclamatory sentence. So while interchanging from assertive to exclamatory, some words of emphasis and feelings we use that are given below. Exclamatory, we have the 2 columns, exclamatory and assertive. So let's see, if in the exclamatory we have these words, so what we have to write in assertive, and if in the assertive we have these words, so what we have to write for the exclamatory. So let's see, we are learning about assertive to exclamatory. So if in assertive sentence we have I wish, at the place of I wish we can write if only, o, or o that. Here we cannot use that 3 steps what we learned earlier. Just we have to change this I wish with these words. Out of these 3 we can use any one. The next one is here, if we have it is very sad, at the place of it is very sad we can use alas or oh. We can interchange this group of words with these words, and we can convert that into the exclamatory sentence. The next one we have ashamed. If we have ashamed in the assertive, so we can use opposite of that same in the exclamatory sentence. And if we have it is a matter of joy in assertive sentence, at the place of all these group of words we can write hur. That means here we are expressing our joyness or happiness, so we can use a single exclamatory word, that is hur. And at the last, if we have it is a matter of praise, at the group of these words we can write brow. Means here we are appreciating the things was happen is appreciation. For that we can use the word exclamation word brow. Now we have to learn few example based on all these 5, so we can able to understand better way. Here we have examples. The first one you can see, That is, I wish I was a rich man. So we learn at the place of I wish, we can write any one of these three. Suppose I am writing if only, we are written, and the rest one we are going to write the as it is. I was a rich man and exclamation mark. If only I was a rich man, and at the place of this if only you can write O or O that also. Come for the next example, that is, it is very sad that he had to leave his job. It is very sad that. At the place of this group of words, we have to write these two, whether alas or oh. So I'm writing alas and use the exclamation mark over here only. And the rest one, whatever is the remaining sentence, we have to write as it is. He had to leave his job and full stop. As because here we use the exclamation mark, so at the last of the sentence we cannot use it. The next one is, that is third example, he should be ashamed. He should be ashamed of spoiling a notebook. So at the place of ashamed we can use shame. And we are talking about he, means that is a boy. So we can write shame on him. Shame on him. Objective case of he becomes him. Shame on him. Why? We can convert this of into for. Shame on him. For the rest one we can write as it is. For spoiling a notebook, and at the last exclamation mark. Shame on him for spoiling a notebook. The next one, fourth one. It is a matter of joy that my old friend has come. So after the that, all the things we have to write the same way. And at the place of this, it is a matter of joy that, we have to write a exclamation word, that is hur. So here we have to start with that word and exclamation mark also there. The rest one, my old friend has come, and at the last we have to write full stop. And the fifth one, it is a matter of praise that you have done well. The rest sentence we are going to write, but at the place of it is a matter of praise that, we have to write a exclamation verb, that is brow. So we can write brow and exclamation mark. The rest sentence, you have done well, and at the last we have to write full stop. So this way, if we have some feelings or the emphasis, so we can use these kinds of the words. This way we can change the assertive sentence into the exclamatory sentence. So you have few homeworks for today. Change the given assertive sentence into exclamatory sentence. The first one, it is very sad that she died so young. I wish that I were a bird. Third one, it is a matter of joy that my brother has come. The boy was ashamed of not completing his homework. Fifth one, it is a matter of praise that you have secured first rank. One more, you should be right. The boy is very handsome. Next one is this flower is a very beautiful flower. So you are going to change this 7 assertive sentence into the exclamatory sentence. So once again I am going to repeat. Whenever we are converting, we are interchanging the assertive sentence into the exclamatory sentence. The first thing, if we have the simple kinds of assertive sentence, so you have to use 3 steps what we learn, and by using that we can convert that into the exclamatory sentence. And at the last, if we have emphasis or the filling word, so this way by using this chart, this table, we can convert the assertive sentence into the exclamatory sentence. Now the next concept of changing to the exclamatory to the assertive we are going to learn in the next video. Thank you so much.